Artificial intelligence is a rapidly advancing field of computer science that aims to create intelligent machines that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence, such as reasoning, perception, and problem solving. AI is powered by complex algorithms and models that enable machines to learn from data, adapt to new situations, and make decisions based on that knowledge. The potential applications of AI are vast, and we are already seeing its impact in a range of industries, from healthcare and finance to transportation and manufacturing. AI-powered systems can help doctors diagnose diseases, improve financial forecasting, optimize supply chain management, and even drive our cars. There are several different types of AI, each with its own strengths and limitations. Some of the most commonly discussed types of AI include machine learning. Machine learning is a type of AI that allows machines to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms can identify patterns and make predictions based on that data. Deep learning. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to simulate the way the human brain works. Deep learning algorithms can learn to recognize and classify objects, translate languages, and even create new images and sounds. Natural language processing. Natural language processing is a type of AI that enables machines to understand and interpret human language. NLP algorithms can be used to analyze text, generate speech, and even hold conversations with humans. Despite its potential benefits, there are also concerns around the ethical implications of AI. As machines become increasingly intelligent, there are fears that they may outsmart humans and cause harm. There are also concerns around job displacement, as AI-powered machines could potentially replace human workers in certain industries. In conclusion, AI is a powerful technology that has the potential to transform our lives in countless ways. While there are concerns around its impact, it is important to continue to develop and implement responsible AI practices to ensure that this technology is used for the greater good. With the right approach, AI could revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us.